Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix Lenovo laptop touchpad not working in Windows 10 or 11. Sometimes your touchpad may stop working because it's accidentally disabled using the keyboard shortcut. On most Lenovo laptops, you can press Fn plus F10 together to enable or disable the touchpad. You should see a touchpad icon appear on your screen. If it has a line through it, the touchpad is disabled. Keep pressing the shortcut until the icon shows it's enabled. Now click on the Start menu and search for Touchpad Settings. Open it and make sure the touchpad is turned on. Next, click on Taps and adjust the touchpad sensitivity to your preference. You can choose from low, medium, high, or most sensitive. Then click on More Touchpad Settings. Here, check that options like Enable Track Point or Enable Touchpad are selected. If these are not enabled, your touchpad may stop working, especially if a mouse is connected. Go back and check if the touchpad is now responding. If it's still not working, open the Start menu again, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand mice and other pointing devices and check if your touchpad driver is listed. If not, expand human interface devices to find it. Now, right-click on the touchpad driver and select Uninstall device. Confirm the uninstallation if prompted. Finally, restart your PC. After rebooting, Windows will automatically reinstall the touchpad driver and your touchpad should start working again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.